Hi, I'm Brittany Riley, and you're in the kitchen with Britt. We're here at Home Appliance in Avon, Ohio to talk about grilled cheese. So there's always a debate about what makes the best grilled cheese, and I am not a mayonnaise person. I don't like mayonnaise at all. But the rumor is that mayonnaise instead of butter makes it much more crispy. I'm guessing I'm gonna prefer butter. I just don't know how I couldn't. But the other thing is we're gonna try a mixture so that way we can get the crispiness of mayonnaise, but then the flavor of the butter. So we're gonna give it a shot. We are also, you can use all sorts of different kinds of cheeses. It really doesn't matter. It's whatever you have or whatever you like, but a mixture is actually the best just because they have different melting qualities and obviously flavors. So today we are going with a Jarlsberg Swiss with a sharp white cheddar, which I think will be a good combo. You can always have fun and kick it up and, throw a smear of sun-dried tomato paste or a pesto or, anything like that to kind of add a little extra flavor. You can go for 4 different kinds of cheeses. Some people swear by using shredded cheese versus sliced. I like super, super thin sliced because it'll melt a little bit quicker, but won't make a mess in the pan. But then again, sometimes that mess in the pan is so delicious, all the crispy cheese, so it's up to you. We're gonna get this all slathered up and give it a test run. Okay, the next tip is you can see down here we are using low heat. The reason that you want to use low heat is because we want to give our bread a chance to toast, not burn, and also obviously we need our cheese to melt. So the key to that is definitely using low heat. So I'm preheating the pans. We do want them to be warm before we get our sandwiches in. Sorry about all the noise. I know we've got a working showroom in here. So, but yeah, so I'm preheating the pans and we're gonna get these guys going in just a minute. All right, these guys are coming along. We've got a nice golden toast going. I would like more color than that on each side, but our cheese is melting nicely, so we'll just let this go another minute or so and then give it a flip. Okay, beautiful. So because we had the heat really low, basically it took like 8 minutes for each of these to get a nice crisp edge on both sides and melt the cheese. Please do not look at the bottom of this one because I had to go help a customer and we got a little bit of extra color there. But here we have all butter. This is the all mayo, and then this is the combo. So we'll kind of check them out. First off, I think that butter sounds awesome and crunchy. Definitely good and melted. We have that all mayo, and that's super melted and cheesy. It is really crispy. Honestly, I don't feel a huge difference between those two, just saying. And then we have our combo right here, if I can just cut through it. All right, also perfectly melted, and I will say that that's probably the least crispy, which I don't know, I guess that makes sense. We're gonna cut a smaller piece of each of these and give them the old taste test, see what we think. I also, and I mean, this probably isn't very good, but I also love to add a little bit of fresh salt on the top right after it comes out so that it kind of sticks to it. I also like to add pepper to mine, so I will do that. You can do that obviously on the inside where the cheese is, but I like it to be part of my initial bite. All right. Oh yeah. Butter is awesome. No debating that. Here's the mayo one. Well, I will say this. It doesn't taste like mayo, which is good, but it does have a different flavor. There's a tang to it, you know, from the mayonnaise. It is nice and crunchy. It's not something that I dislike by any means, but I do like the flavor better on our all butter one. Let's see this. The combo's really good. It takes away a little bit of that, you know, mayonnaise flavor, but I'm sorry, I still just like all butter. It's nice and crunchy and crispy and delicious. And I'm loving the Jarlsberg with the white cheddar. I think it's actually like a perfect combo of a really, really good melty cheese and then something a little sharper. I think it's awesome. So you may just have to do your own side by side because I think this is all about preference. Enjoy.